Hello all, and welcome back to another episode of Lish the Baker. If you're new here, my name is AJ and I post new videos every Monday and Thursday about baking and lifestyle. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make easy rhubarb coffee cake. This is an excellent recipe for breakfast or those great summer barbecues that we finally get to go to again. One thing to note about this recipe is that the batter is very thick. It's not going to pour out like a normal cake recipe will. You're really going to have to finagle it out of the mixer and into your cake pan. But I would say that the final result is worth it. Overall, this recipe is very easy and very delicious. If you're excited for this video, make sure you hit subscribe for future baking videos as well. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give this video a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below. How do you plan to use your summer rhubarb? As always, if you enjoy my content, please subscribe to my channel and ring that little bell icon so you get notified every time I post a new video. It really helps me out. Are you mad I'm not baking for you this time? So you're just happy you get to lick a pan? That's fair.